Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about Twitch ASMR. Now, I hope you guys know what ASMR is. It's basically making noises that's satisfying to some people. Honestly, myself, I find certain noises very annoying, but let's talk about Twitch ASMR. Now, there is a different category of ASMR on Twitch, and the category is ASMR. As you can see, it's right here. We were talking about ASMR, and it's right here. Now, normally ASMR, you're gonna get multiple pages with ASMR. So if we just go to, where is the ASMR tag? All right, let's just go to visual ASMR. As you can see, there are going to be tons of pages that does ASMR audio. So if you're interested in this kind of things, Twitch has your back. Yeah. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.